Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shashprabha Pereira and in today's lesson we are going to dive into reported speech, also known as indirect speech, a very important topic in English grammar that helps you sound more polished and fluent. So let's get started. What is reported speech? Reported speech is when we tell someone what another person said, but not using the exact same words. We usually change the original words slightly, especially the pronouns and tenses, depending on when the reporting happens. For an example, in direct speech, she said, "I'm happy." In reported speech, we say, "She said that she was happy," or "She said she was happy." What changes in reported speech? There are few key changes to look out for. Pronouns, verb tenses, time expressions. We'll go through each of these step by step. How pronouns change. The word I becomes he or she. The word we becomes they. Pronouns usually change to match the perspective of the speaker. We'll move on to the example. In direct, Tom said, "I love pizza." In reported, we say, Tom said he loved pizza. So I becomes he or she depending on who is speaking. Change of time. Words connected with the time also change. Now becomes then. This becomes that. This becomes those. Today becomes that day. Here becomes there. Yesterday becomes the day before or the previous day. Tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day. Day before yesterday becomes 2 days before. The day after tomorrow becomes in 2 days' time. Next week, next month, next year, etc. change into the following week, the following month, the following year, etc. You can pause the video and copy down the table if you want. These changes help to reflect that the action happened in the past from the point of view of the speaker. The rules in indirect speech. Let's look at the rules when forming reported speech. The biggest influence on how we change the sentence is the tense of the reporting verb. No tense change rule. Here's our rule number 1. When the reporting verb is in the present, present perfect, or future tense, we do not change the tense of the original sentence. When the introductory or the reporting verb, example, it can be he says, he tells, he remarks, he declares, likewise, is in the present tense, present perfect tense, or future tense, the tense of the reported statement remains the same. Let's look at some examples. Present tense. I have written the reporting verb in yellow. So this is the reporting verb. She says, "I'm thirsty." Since the reporting verb here is in simple present tense, which is the word says, we do not change the tense in the original statement. The original statement is, "I am thirsty." She says that she is thirsty. Hope it is clear. Next one, present perfect tense. If the reporting verb is in the present perfect tense, We don't change the tense in the original statement when changing into the reported speech. Let's read out this example. In direct speech, he has said it is my pen. Even in the reported speech, it has written, he has said that it is his pen. Can you see that there is no change in the tense of the original statement in reported speech too? Future tense. He will say. Now the reporting verb is in the future tense. I love chocolates. In the reported speech, remember that we cannot change the tense in the original statement. He will say that he loves chocolates. Here they have used the simple present tense. Again, in the reported speech also, we have to use the simple present tense. Hope you have understood. Practice time. Now it's your turn. Try rewriting these direct speech sentences in reported speech using what you have just learned. Now you can go through the answers and self-check your answers. In our next video, we'll learn rule number 2. So don't miss it. Subscribe, hit the like button and turn on notifications so you won't miss when that video drops. Thanks for watching and learning with me. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.